real. But it's a mini. Look, I don't know, because I'm crazy. Because I'm crazy. Hi Beanbeauti, Data Bean here. How are you doing today? Today's an exciting day. Today is a Read Krakoff day. This is one I've been waiting for. This is from the Real. And I saw this bag and I was like, I had to have it. So my recent purchases are going to be coming to an end as far as recent purchases. But I have plenty, so don't worry. I have plenty that I have to unbox anyway. Oh wow, look at the Real put a band around it. So that's good. That's really good. I wonder if it'll slip off. Okay. I don't know. Why do I want to save it? I don't know, because I'm crazy. Because I'm crazy. It just flips right off, so that's good because these aren't the best of boxes and these tend to slide out, so I'm guessing that they're getting the gist. But it says the Real, and I'm really excited about this because it's a boxer. But it's a mini. Look at it. It's a mini. It's like, look, can you see that? Can you see? It's like it's like the box is twice as big as is it. Oh my goodness. I was so happy. So getting this bag is why I decided to trade my other bag with a certain someone. And y'all know my BFF, my YouTube BFF, she really liked it, and Melissa from Melissa's Corner, so I traded her because I told her, if I can find a mini, then I would rather keep the mini, and we'll trade the other one, even though I really liked it. But I wanted a mini and I couldn't justify getting a mini after spending that money. But I thought, okay, if I do a trade, originally told her she had to buy it, but then I said, well, you know, we'll do a trade, and then I got this one. So excited. So this is the original Read bag. It's really a really nice canvas bag, and there's the emblem there. So this one is actually is from his line, and because he also did a partnered with Kohl's, and oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is definitely a cruising bag. It's even prettier in person. Oh, I want y'all to see the front of it, so I have to do it this way. Look at that. Oh my god, it's so tiny. It is so tiny. Look at that. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh yes. So this actually wasn't too expensive as bag designer bags to go. It has the crossbody. It said that it was in let me go in and see. It was $129.50, and the condition was in very good condition. It just said minor residue in the interior. But I spent the extra $5 on the gift box because I have learned my lesson. I mean, I didn't have any troubles. Everything that I've purchased except for one item, I have always purchased gift box, and that one item was only because I didn't click it. I forgot to click it. Sales tax, we have sales tax, it's $11.91. Shipping, of course, was 15 bucks, $14.95. The grand total of $161.36. And I just had to have it. I just had to have it. It's so cute. So these are removable, but I probably won't. These are the hard ones that are hard to remove. Dooney & Burke has a lot of these, so I just don't mess with them if it fits me. And it has a nice little strap here. And let me see if I can see what residue. Oh, here, I can pull it out. So let's see, do you see some residue in there? Right here is a little bit of something right there, but really, oh, and right here. A little bit of something right there too. It's a little dirty there. Just want to smell it, making sure it doesn't have any smells. You know what I mean? I smell all the bags. I smell all the bags. It has a little bit of a funky smell, but not anything that'll deter me. So this right here, according to Craig Birkenboy, if you flip this over and it has Reed Krakoff right there, that's how you know it was from his personal line, from his personal boutique. If it just says Reed and it's usually like in the front, but if it just has Reed in big letters, then that came from Kohl's. It has the tiny back pocket over here. So let's see. So it doesn't, you know, it sticks out a little bit, but that actually would be fine for me when I'm walking around. It, of course, doesn't fit this way, but my phone does fit in there. See, the phone fits in there perfect. Not a problem. And actually, the smell is kind of getting to me now. I'm gonna have to put something in there. It actually kind of smells like a chemical-y smell. On the inside, it has a zip pocket on the inside right here, and it has a baqueta where it has his name, Reed Krakoff, right there. In the front here, there is also a pocket, and oh, and somebody likes NARS. Somebody likes NARS lipstick. Oh. So they definitely didn't clean that out. Let me make sure, put this somewhere so I can get rid of it. So it has the pocket in the front, but at least you know that you can put a pocket, you can put a lipstick in there. Let me see, will this fit in here? My phone? Yeah, my phone will fit in there, so that'll be perfect too. Let's see. It does fit crossbody. I haven't, let me see if I can stand up in here for you. There we go, see? That's a cutie patootie. The handles, of course, don't go down, but they're small enough to where it doesn't really bug me too much. And I can't tell if this is the longest. Yeah, I think it's on the last hole, but oh, it's got a little bit of different. Oh, yeah, I won't be able to. Look, it has like a little toggle. It has a toggle. That's interesting. That's a cute little design element there. I like that. Okay, so I don't have a punch that I know of that will do that. I'll have to look and see that it does that shape. That does that shape. But that's okay. It was long enough for me to wear it. I you know, I probably could go like a ½ inch further, but isn't it so cute? Isn't it so cute? Once again, though, I fell in love with the boxer bag because of the knot, you know, because of doing the knot there. But this didn't have it, but the design of the bag really drew me in, so I had to have it. I have 2 more Reed Krakoffs coming, so stay tuned for that. One that I got off Vestiaire Collective, that is coming all the way from Lithuania, and that should be here pretty soon. And another one that I got from the Real, and that actually is already arrived. I just have to unbox it. All right, Beanbeauties, thank you so much for coming. Love y'all. Bye-bye.